Hi, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for using OurChurch.com's WPEZ website builder. It's WordPress made easy. In this video, I'd like to show you an overview of the traditional church theme, which we've created for WPEZ 2.0. So we'll have a look right here, the traditional church theme. It's got a more conservative traditional look to it with a brown background and a place for the name of your church or logo, a slogan or tagline, and then the menu at the top, some social media buttons. And as with all of our WPEZ 2.0 themes, they all have page templates included. So all of the pages that I'm going to show you in this video are automatically loaded into your website when you select this theme. And you can change out the images and change out the text for your church to make it fit for you. So let's take a look at some of the pages in this traditional church theme. You'll see that we've got an image slider at the top of the page showing some pictures of the church, along with an introductory sentence and a button that links to a what to expect page. We've got a welcome message by the pastor and a picture of the pastor here. And below that, we have an option for having some videos on your homepage. You might want to have the most recent sermon. And of course, if you aren't recording video of your sermons, you can remove this. And it's got entries here for other sermons for the church. So that is your home page. Take a look at the About page next. And on the About page, you'll see we've got a place at the top for our story, a little bit about the history of the church. We've got a what to expect part here, along with a scrolling parallax background behind it. And we've got images of our staff and information about our beliefs, again with a parallax scrolling image behind it. So that's the About page. We'll take a look at the Connect page. And this is a place where you can list ministries in your church. And you do have the option, of course, if you want to add pages for a ministry that might want its own page, or you may want to have a whole section of the menu for a particular ministry. But for ministries that might be small and just have some information here, a point of contact, the Connect page is a good place to list those ministries and help people get connected. Next, we've got a Sermons page. The Sermons page utilizes the built-in blogging features in WPEZ. So each of the sermons in here is essentially a blog that has its own image and an audio recording here and a little introduction. And it's got some other information to the side. So that is what the blog uses. If you happen to be using the the Easy Sermon Manager, we can remove this sermons page and replace it with the sermon manager that you've got. Next, we've got the blog. And again, if you are not blogging, you can remove this. But if you are, it's got a blog already laid out with some sample posts in it. You can remove these posts and replace it with your own posts. Next, we've got a news page. And this page has an area where you can subscribe to the church's newsletter. Got some of the latest news here, and then a calendar below that. Next, we've got a Give page, and this is a demo of our Yoda, your online donation app. If you have Yoda, we can quickly and easily get you set up with that on your website. If not, you can also use PayPal or whatever online giving method you may already have. And last but not least, last page in the traditional church theme is a contact page. We've got contact details on the left side and some social media buttons which you can update or add others, remove some if you are using different social media channels. And then we've got a contact form on the right side, followed by a map, which is automatically updated when you put your address in. All right, so that is a look at the traditional church theme, a church that was designed specifically for churches that tend to be more traditional or want a more traditional look to their website. And as mentioned before, all of the pages that I showed you here are all pre-installed with the church theme, the traditional church theme. All you have to do is swap out the text for your own text, swap out the images for your own images, and you've got a great looking website. Thanks for watching.